Good morning. Welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. Today we're going to see some major announcements at the Nasdaq, and Bitcoin is very volatile. Dion is going to do an analysis for us about where Bitcoin is going today. Good morning, Dion.
Morning, Joseph. We're starting today just over bird's eye view, just on the weekly, just to show we are still overall bearish, but zooming in, we've got a strong weekly support still, and we've had a nice retracement, which isn't nice to go through, but it is necessary for Bitcoin to then actually be able to go up. And I've just got fib levels here, this last move, just to show that it's nothing unexpected. Normally a pullback like this, we would expect to go to that 0.5 level at least. We'll hit the golden pocket zone that's over there, the 0.65. And also good that we would always hit the 0.5, and often we hit 382, and seldom we hit the 236, but that's also possible. But we won't talk about that today. On the daily, it's also just to show, I don't know whether you remember last week we had this massive big bank level here, and that's all gone now, so there's still a lot of liquidity above us, which is good, and you really have to zoom in. There's the last little bit of liquidity left, and this was the move, the money that actually started this big up move here. So they always come back to come and collect their money and their profits, so they might still just wick down just to clean out this little zone completely, that last little bit. And that happens to be also a retest of the daily trend line. And I'll show you on the 1 hour, or let's just quickly look at 4 hours. So 4 hours, this is the basic resistance and support zones, and you can see how nice it's actually been obeying between these levels, going up to hit the liquidity at the top, and then just coming through these exact same levels. On the 1 hour, let's just get there. On the 1 hour time frame, we've been trading in this downward parallel channel, and this is the little bit of liquidity you'll see there. This is that last little bit to hit down and wick that bottom line, and then they'll clean out that zone completely and get all their money back. Yesterday, after our video, this bear flag formed here, this little bear flag, and you can see here also how they trap people, because all the traders saw this bear flag, and on that wick down, everyone opened their short positions, stop losses up here, and targeting this zone down here, this same support zone and this trend line. So that was the trade that everyone was going for. Then they quickly slipped it up, took all the liquidity from, closed everyone down on the stop losses, and then they did what they wanted to do in the first place. So that's why it just pays to be patient sometimes. Just if you see an obvious move, then just know, they're probably first going to go against it, and then do the obvious move after they've taken you out. And a bear flag like this, the target is normally the pole, the flag pole, and that's it there. So if you to take that off, and from the breakout, see that actually exactly ties up with that level as well. And I suppose, I presume all this has happened, these moves were pushed down by the banks for this news event which is coming today. So I think they wanted to get the price down here just before this event, so that they can then do what they wanted to do with it afterwards. So which could either be that they're going to pump it back up here, or they could just push it down, and they know that there's another big event coming on Thursday, or no, Wednesday, tomorrow afternoon, Joseph, tomorrow. So they might just bring it down here and have it then ready to do what they want to do with this. So either pump it up before that, or so it's going to be volatile. We said so at the beginning of the week. So at the moment, no trade on Bitcoin. We'll have to just see first, and with the news events, it's dangerous trading anyway. So let's see what they plan to do, and then we'll see if we can have a trade set up after that. Then our trade of the day, SNX coin, they've had a very strong move up. So it's a very good project, and you can see they have a lot of backers. So from the lows we had earlier this month, from the all-time lows, they just had a massive pump up. It is a good coin, and lots of people are getting in on it at a good price. And now with this recent pullback, we've just pulled back to this support zone here, which I'm now calling a buy zone. So anywhere in here would be a good buy. So I don't think that Bitcoin's going to go, we're going to wick down. I don't foresee it going, well, that's just me, going much lower. So I hope that would just pull the price back into this buy zone, and then you can get in at SNX. And if it doesn't, then you can get in anyway. And we're going to target that high range that we had there, and it depends on where you buy, but there's like a 20% trade, 10, 15, 20% trade in there. You can start following it up with your stop loss once we turn and go up. And this is from me today, Joseph.
So, Dion, I actually had a SNX trade that I think I launched it last week, Friday, with a 35% take profit, and I actually took that take profit 2 days ago. So I was very chuffed with myself with SNX, and so it's actually nice to see it pull back because it gives us another 20% trade opportunity there on SNX. So that is very exciting. Yeah, I know. A lot of people are speculating on what's going to happen in the next day or two. What do you think will happen with the overall Bitcoin price, if you can just take a stab at it?
I think we'll probably just go down a little bit, but I don't think I don't foresee like a 15,000. So I don't know. I think pretty much where we are now, maybe like another $1,000 down, just a week down. But I think we're going to hit that daily support, and then we're going to start going up, or sideways for a while and then up. But I don't think we're going down that low. No, I don't.
Yeah, so about 3 weeks ago, the market sentiment was extremely negative. People were all thinking about the $13,800 Bitcoin. And then after that low came in, and we started seeing all those support levels building up, I think the whole market sentiment changed and people are starting to become more and more bullish. So my expectation is that they're going to push the market down to take out a lot of stop losses, and then we're going to see a rally to the upward. So for me with DCA trading, I actually love this kind of thing because I might hit a few levels very low and bring my dollar cost average way down to easier take profit. But I think for guys that are trading with a tight stop loss, the expectation is very strong that you will have your stop loss taken out before the rally upwards. Yeah. Okay, well, that's Bitcoin news. My recommendation would probably to wait for the close on Thursday and then make a decision. I think this next 2 or 3 days is going to be more market manipulation than really being able to just follow the charts like Dion is doing. I'm going to be back in an hour, and then I want to talk about the Ethereum breakout to the downside, which is major for altcoins. And I also want to look at a clever RSI scalping strategy that I love to use. So I'll see you in an hour. Thank you, Dion. We're going to keep our thumbs for Bitcoin. Guys, have a good day. See you just in a little bit.
Cheerio.